What's up, guys? So what we got here, we have a package from American Modified. They sent this out, finally got it in the mail. Super excited. This is something that you're not going to see on too many S650s around. It is a unique LED style grille. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video and providing me with this part, and I can't wait for you guys to see it because I can almost guarantee you there's barely anything you're going to find on the internet. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy open. So we decided to go with the matte black because currently on the car I do have the RTR style hood vents, which are matte black, so I wanted a bit more of a cohesive look. Here's the grille itself. You have your installation guide right here, and here is your wiring harnesses. It's completely plug and play for a simple installation. So we're gonna put those back in the box, and I'm gonna show you what the grille itself looks like. Let's see how it turned out. I know with this one, I can still put the pony emblem on it, which is half the concern, so that every day when my dad sees the car, he doesn't have to complain how there's no pony badge, because now that got into my head and now I really do like the pony badge. So here's the grille itself, super clean. It's almost like a satin black, not really matte black. So on the stock S650, they have these kind of corner pockets in the grille and they're gloss black. So this retains that, but it allows an illuminated DRL, which actually does have turn signal integration. Then right here on the back, I'm gonna be able to, either I'm gonna put the stock pony one, I'm gonna mount it the OEM way with screws and bolts in the back, or I'm just gonna probably put on some aggressive 3M and just slap it right in the middle. Probably knowing me, that's what I'm going to do. Probably will fall off, but that's a problem for another day. Then right here, this is where it plugs in. Who knows, maybe we'll get this on the car this season. I don't know, depending on the weather, but it looks fantastic. I'm super excited. Thank you, American Modified, for sponsoring a part of the build.